I'm Dee,
encouraging others with hope and positivity as a family caregiver to my mom, aka Queen G, and as a full-time stay-at-home homemaker. A variety of videos sharing caregiving tips, cooking, gardening, decluttering, cleaning, hauls, meal planning, always in my planner, chatting, and sometimes a burst of laughs. Let's face it, things happen in life, so why not make it lovely? Welcome back to A Tiny Tidy Tuesday. It's a part of an open collaboration hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn at the Health of Home, who shares a weekly playlist of our team Tiny Tidy, as well as some weekly guests. You'll want to check out the playlist as our Tiny Tidy team has grown. A lot of new channels to check out and a lot of Tiny Tidy motivation for you. I'll leave it in my description box for you to check out. Welcome, new friends who recently subscribed to my channel. Thanks! I'm a full variety channel with a variety of content, get it? Which I'm sure there's something for everyone. Today's Tiny Tidy is our master bedroom. I always make our bed in the beginning of my morning, but today I need to dust and just, take the time to put things away. You know, a quick tidy just for you. Don't mind me, I'm just tidying up the husband stuff, you know? Hey, some of you are noticing that we have two TVs. The TV, the screen burns out, the one that's on the bigger dresser, so I replaced it with a smaller one that's on my dresser top. We're supposed to remove the bigger TV, but haven't done so yet. It's a total eyesore to say the least, but today I'm thinking it's gonna go. Ew. Okay, that was really dusty. That was nasty. To be honest, I haven't even cleaned this mirror over a month because of the big TV hiding it all this time, but not anymore.